The personal statement is a key aspect of the selection process. It's your opportunity to explain to us why you want to study your chosen course, what inspired you to consider a career in healthcare, and the skills and qualities you have that suit this profession. Here are some tips to make your personal statement and application stronger. Research and prepare. We strongly advise applicants to focus on a preferred discipline. Demonstrate an insight and clear understanding of your chosen profession and how you are suited to this. Provide evidence that shows you have a clear understanding of the course you're applying for. Convince those reviewing your application that your motivations for studying a particular course are based on thorough research and knowledge of the subject. Include details that are relevant to your application, for example, previous training or transferable skills. If you have studied or started a course with us, you must state this on your application too. Attend an open day with us before submitting your application. Most importantly of all, demonstrate that you understand and are committed to the NHS 6 key values, because who you are is as important as what you know. A large part of your studies will take place in clinical practice, so it's essential you reflect and uphold these values in everything you do. These include, firstly, working together for patients. Patients come first in everything you do. 2, respect and dignity. Every person is valued as an individual, whether that's a patient, their families, or carers. 3, commitment to quality of care. You should insist on quality and strive to get safety, effectiveness, and patient experience right every time. 4, compassion. This is central to the care you will provide, responding with humanity and kindness to each person's pain, distress, anxiety, or need. 5, improving lives. You should strive to improve health and well-being. 6, everyone counts. You need to make sure nobody is excluded, discriminated against, or left behind.